people, we thank Papa God. Papa God will allow us today. My yarn is today could be about Big Seven, Odogu, Burna Boy. About what happened for the Lagos Countdown show when they're doing 31st of December. When fan on that stage. Normally, I don't know why Nigerians just feel say most of us our artists immediately take anything when we dish out to them. There be human being like us who forget till they get money and all that. There be human the same blood when they flow for your body and they flow for their body. No business not special blood. So now I don't know why they do things when they say they don't like. Somebody tell me say, no now they jump it and say that guy doctor can time with type numbers. You know see they do one. People see they justify the facts. Say if now the Western world they if now abroad they all the fans when they job enter a stage for abroad, how many of them don't kick there? How many of them it don't end show for? To be sincere, I never see any video for the Western for abroad when BC fan run enter the Burna Boy end show. They know they run enter stage. The man don't tell now countless time. Everybody now their safety everybody they think about before anything. Before I go on, I even invest for the security details for that when they perform. Where the security they. Because even when Whiskey they perform, you will see when Whiskey near that guy, when that guy climb the stage, you see the way the Whiskey the security is fully body like that. They don't quick day. But where Burna Boy one day? You understand? Before that guy he run, he's Burna Boy one day. So now those things with the reason. As I that one's around that point, mostly push that one come out. But the main issue now say they get out of time without number. No, they climb my stage. I don't know why they always do that. When it comes to Burna Boy at times, Nigerians I feel say they overreact. Because make we not just lie. If you go back, watch that video, immediately the guy climbed the stage, you go see the fear for Burna Boy face. All of us now human being now. Make we see the reason that people made it. Because person not feel just enter stage like that towards you and a light. You don't know what the person they carry. God forbid now that guy they carry knife. You can't show camera. What you not gonna talk? Who don't die, don't die. Oh. That is the truth. Yes, what they go do that guy? They can't kill him, they will beat him, they can't go jail. But what they won't do? So they never die. So understand everybody they fight for their safety. Don't be say the guy do what he do. They do to even we normally safe. It gets a kind thing when you go to do like this. Person if you do use kind you just disorganize. For you to reorganize yourself in the hard. Why if you say when we go to school those days, the lecturer go they tell you say when you don't enter class, when you don't enter. Most of the lecturers don't be say now forming the day. Some of them that waka, you go waka go from waka go back. It distract them. They don't go come there organize again. I'm always that kind of person. You just enter. You go see the guy face when that boy enters. You go see the fear for Burna Boy face. The guy released statement yesterday now. He released statement about the whole issue. And he talks say he get PTSD. So you understand? So the guy has a point. The guy get points. Because if you see reaction, you go not say, you know the joke when he say he get PTSD. Make una learn to dey respect people. Una no go hear. So when they go react, una go dey vex the way they react. I don't blame the guy for the guy in the show. Everybody now you be your own security, now you be your own safety. So use your head, think about yourself. And again, make Nigerians do better. The fact that the guy they call himself Odogo, no missing out there she day body. So make we as Nigerians, make we learn to do better. My people, una do.